Ooh, ah. Mwah. Hey everybody, so it is the middle of the week and that means you got Zoom meetings to attend, you got little people in the house you're trying to keep alive, you gotta show up for your friends, your family, and try to work out. So sometimes the last thing you wanna do is turn on the stove and cook something. So I'm gonna show you the perfect thing to make during the week when you don't have enough time, but you still wanna eat something healthy that's quick and easy. So this yogurt bowl that I talk often about in my weight loss videos, I'm gonna finally show you guys how to make today. So stick with me because this recipe is gonna be so good. Let's do it. We're gonna mix this up a little bit. So this is unsweetened vanilla organic coconut milk yogurt because I always try to avoid dairy as much as possible. This is also gluten-free. So for all the gluten-free recipe lovers out there, voila, this is exactly perfecto. I don't want to fill it all the way up because we got a lot of other goodies to put in there. So don't mess up a good thing. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some crunchy peanut butter. I am a big fan of crunchy peanut butter. Why? Because I just love the sensation of having a little crunch in your peanut butter. Yeah, look at that. You can either just do a dollop of this into your bowl. Yeah. Now, let's top our yogurt bowl with some granola. This is a keto granola and it's only got 3 grams of carbs, but also 5 grams of protein. So boom, more protein. Here we go. Ooh, ah. Mwah. First, we got to add some berries. Fresh berries, not dried, fresh, my dears. So we're just gonna take some blueberries. We're gonna drizzle those on top here. Look at how beautiful this is already looking. Some raspberries, ah. The kind that scoops out some peanut butter and eats just the peanut butter. If that's you and you're like me and you love scooping and eating straight out of the peanut butter can, comment below so that we can support each other in the endeavor of eating peanut butter solo. We're going to add some honey and we're just gonna drizzle that along the top. And voila, look at that. So that is our granola, yogurt, and peanut butter bowl with berries. So that looks delicious if you ask me. I cannot wait to try it. Look at that. Doesn't that look so good? Okay, so now that we have quickly made our tasty, healthy dish, it's time for the true test, which is the taste test. Here we go. This granola bowl with peanut butter, yogurt, and berries is divine. Mwah.